Hey friends, it's Sharon. Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So hello mga friendships! Welcome back to another video na naman. So today, yung gagawin natin na video is all about yung hair tools. Ayan, so I don't know if you already watched my video, yung aking Japanese na makeup haul video na meron akong binili na bagong hair curling iron. Ayan, hair tools. Kasi kailangan ko, kasi naiwan ko yung akin doon sa Pilipinas. So, I need to get a new one. And the one that I got is this one from Salonia. Ayan, ito yung itsura niya guys, Salonia. This is from the same brand ng aking, flat iron, hair flat iron. So, kasi I decided to get this one. Kasi I really like my Salonia flat iron, hair flat iron kasi maganda siya, magaan, tapos heats up quickly, and then it gives the curl, lasting power talaga. So whenever I do hair straightening, like yung pag may client na gustong nagpapastraight ng hair, as in maganda yung pagka-straight niya, and very fast na nakaka-straight, and hindi siya mabigat because it is made out of titanium, and mabilis din siya mag-curl, tapos yung curl niya is naglalast talaga ng matagal. So that's why I decided to get another from Salonia, and this one, this time pala, is the ceramic curling hair iron. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya guys. So as usual, before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. That was handful always. If you want to see this one in action, and if you are interested, then you better keep on watching. So guys, naka-plug na itong iron. So this is how it looks like pala. Very simple, black lang na, very sleek, very professional looking na tapos may stand din siya na included in case na hindi mo ginagamit, tapos i-rest mo ganyan para hindi masunog yung kung saan mo, or yung table, kung saan mo siya ilalagay. So it's very handy. And ito pala yung switch na niya, hindi mo nakikita, basta ito yung temperature indicator, tapos yung switch na ito yung power on, nandito, and then up and down button sa pag-change ng temperature. Ayan, ano ba? And then center, ayan. So, meron ding nakasulat dito na, anong tawag niyan? Ito pala is, it says here na, designed in Japan, but still made in China. But well, lahat naman ngayon nowadays, 'di ba, is made in China. So wala na talagang dito. So it's okay kasi iba naman yung standards ng mga products na papunta dito sa sa Japan. So I'm not very picky with kung saan siya and it is like 63 amperes. So ayan. So ayan lang yung sinabi dito. So let's try this one guys, kung ilang. I'm gonna set a timer to see how many minutes or seconds na marireach niya yung temperature na gusto ko. So, I'm gonna turn this on. Ay, ayaw. Ayan. Ayan, naka-on na. And then, I'm gonna set the temperature to 210. Kasi gusto ko ng mainit na mainit. Kasi gusto kong mag-curl ng hair ng mabilis na mabilis. Yan. Yeah. So, ayan, we already reached 210. I'm gonna start my timer. Ayan, kung ilang seconds ba. So, ayan, my my timer is starting already. So, ayan, papakita natin, real time. Nakikita niyo ba yung timer? Ganyan na lang. So, real time. Kung kailan mag-stop yung natin. Ano ba yan? Nagre-reflect si light. Ayan, 1 minute na tayo. Oh, exactly 1 minute. Ayan. Timer. Stop. So, ayan yung timer natin. Mga roughly 1 minute mark. Nag-stop talaga siya. So, you need 1 minute para mag-reach ng 210. I don't know, maybe sa lower temperature, mas mabilis siyang set yung yung temperature niya. So, 1 minute is not bad for 210 degrees Celsius, diba? Okay na din yun. So, let's get started. So, I don't have any product on my hair, guys. Ayan, I did not apply any curling lotion or something. It's because I really wanted to see kung mag-curl ba siya without those products. So, ayan yung hair. My hair is very fine. So, I don't know. This is weird. My hair is very thick, straight. So, minsan, mahirap siyang i-curl and then hindi naglalast yung aking curl. So, on this one, I'm not gonna set hairspray as well. Para I will see talaga kung ano ba talaga. Basta yun. So, ayan. So, I'm just gonna separate my hair into 2 sections. Ayan. Ganyan lang naman talaga ako mag-curl, guys. I don't need 3 sections kasi I don't have the time. Or I don't want to spend too much time talaga. I want yung mabilisan. That's why I always use my flat iron to curl my hair. So, I'm not very familiar in using this type of one kasi yun nga, like I said, I always use my flat iron. So, excuse if I use this very awkwardly kasi hindi talaga ako masyadong marunong sa ganito. So, let's get started. Ayan na. Oh, it feels smooth sa hair. Oh, it glides smoothly pala. Oh my God. Pero medyo awkward lang. Nahihirapan ako konti, guys. So, I'm not gonna curl up to this end kasi I don't like that look. So, I'm just gonna leave this like, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, 20 na. So, let's just release. And this is how the curl looks like. Oh, medyo mabilis lang. Mga 10 seconds lang yun kasi mabilis naman yung counting ko. So, let's do another section. Let's do a fairly sized section, not thick size. Ayan. Let's do another one. Oh, I really like this, guys. Compared to my, anong tawag na, yung Vidal Sassoon. Kasi si Vidal Sassoon, parang hindi siya, pag ginaganyan ko, parang kinakain niya yung hair ko. Pero eto, glides smoothly. Oh, wow. I think I'm gonna like this one. Oh, yeah. Kasi si Vidal Sassoon, parang nangangain siya ng hair. But this one, hindi. As in, smooth na smooth. Ito pala yung sinabi ni Salonia sa cat food. Aray, napasok. Kasi mabilis lang yung pag-curl. Kasi, di ba, wala tayong time. Wait, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release! Oh my God! Oh, look how beautiful my curl, guys. Oh, yun. Wow, I think I'm gonna like it. So, let's fast forward na, okay? Ayan mga friends, I'm done curling my hair and I think I really like the curl on this one. And if I'm going to compare my curls, This one looks smoother. If I'm going to use my flat iron, medyo nagli-leave siya ng frizziness kasi maybe because yung paghatak mo ng flat iron. But on this one, oh my god, I really like it. It looks so smooth. So I'm just going to mess this one. Yan, konti. Para maganda. Ayan. I really like the curl of this one. Ayan, oh. Medyo ano lang siya, bouncy. Ganyan. Oh, so, this is how, wow, I'm impressed. And it took me like, ilang ano lang, mabilis lang talaga, as in, mabilis ilang oras na lang. Kasi tumawag si Rookie 5 minutes lang tapos na ako sa, ano. So, I really like it kasi gusto ko sa iron, pag nag-curl ako, gusto ko yung mabilisan talaga, hindi ako nagsispend ng 30 minutes or 1 hour. So, ayan. This is how our curl looks like. What do you think? So far, I'm loving it. And mabilis lang. 5 minutes lang. Or 10. Natapos na ako, diba? Oh, with this length of hair, tapos 5 to 10 minutes lang. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, ayan guys. So, what do you think? You be the judge. Kung nagustuhan nyo ba yung flat iron ng Salonia. So far for me, I really like it. Aside from 1 minute lang yung kailangan niya na para mag-heat up siya to up to 210 degrees na temperature. And then, din siya, smooth din siya. While curling my hair, it feels so smooth din. Unlike, if I'm going to compare this one with my Vidal Sassoon, ang hirap ng Vidal Sassoon, nangangain siya ng hair talaga. But on this one, yung ceramic plating niya, ang ganda, hindi nangangain ng hair. So, totoo yung sinabi ni Salonia, karton. And ito yung sinasabi ko guys, na 360 na round yung niya. Yung yan. So far, I am really impressed on the Salonia. Oh my God, I really like it. Hindi ako nagkamali na bilhin ko siya. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, my hair looks so shiny. So this is my curl. So, wow, I'm impressed. I highly recommend this one. I am so happy na nagustuhan ko siya. Oh my God! So this is my hair pala guys. Ayan. I did not spray any hairspray. So, ito yung itsura niya. Medyo okay pa naman considering my hair na it is hard to curl. Oh, matigas yung ulo ng aking hair. So, right now, yan, oh. Diba? So, mga after like, anong tawag nito? 2 hours. Intact pa din. Usually, pag hindi ko siya ini-spray, wala na. Straight na yung aking hair. So, yan yung update natin. So far, so good. I really like it. Thumbs up for Salonia. So, I think that's all it for this review or first impression on the Salonia ceramic curling hair iron. Ayan. Oh, by the way, guys, this is 298 yen without tax. So, may tax na siya, mga 3,000 yen something. I forgot the exact price talaga. Basta mga 8% tax. Kayo na lang mag-add. Basta 2,980 yen ito. So, if you are going to ask me if I'm going to recommend this one, highly recommend this one from Salonia, their ceramic curling iron. And I got the 32mm na size. Ayan, I'm so happy with this purchase. So far, so good. Grabe, I really like my hair. Can you see that? Wow, it is so shiny. So I think that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave the comment in the comment section below. Kasi I don't know if I covered everything on this video. So if you have any questions, mag-type na lang kayo sa comment sections, okay? So yeah, I think that's it. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. And thank you so much for watching again, Fwenships, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!